Yeah, here we have an ENCO 13 by 40 inch gap fed geared head bench lathe. Okay, it's 230 volt single phase. It appears to be just slightly used, but there's like no metal shavings on it or anything like that. Thing runs really great. We're going to fire it up for you right now. You hit the reset button on here on the E-stop. There's your power start. Alright, we're going to try the engine right here. Now we ran this through all the speeds to make sure everything works. Everything appears to work really nicely on here. Okay, what we'll do is shift that over. Let's put it forward and reverse for the apron. Okay. Now we're going to move over to this side right here. Okay. And go to forward, reverse. Okay. Now what you can do here is, alright, so this controls the in speed. Okay. Turn it off for a second. Make sure that's in gear, that does the threading. Put that in gear. Move the apron forward. Then forward and reverse. Like I said, we checked all the speeds on it. Everything works very well on here. There's the tail stock. That might need a little adjustment on there. Checked everything on here. Overall, it's in really good shape. There's a toolbox with some tools in it, some spindles for the end, your metric change gears, all your wrenches. There's also a 7-inch chuck in here and a backing plate. And we thank you for looking at our product.